Are you fun and ready for a dream vacation? Immerse yourself in the historic romance of Venice or capture the sun-soaked paradise of Santorini. TravelFun.Biz makes it all attainable for less than you'd expect. Our U.S.-based trusted team of travel concierge are complimentary and take care of every detail. Work hard, play harder. Choose casual luxury. Choose TravelFun.Biz to book all of your travel. A family-owned and operated agency. Your fun is our biz. Text us for a quote on your dream vacation today.
Hi, Shelby, owner of TravelFun.Biz here. I just want to go over a little tutorial about your trip to Greece and how to get your seats. Opa! You're going to Greece with the HH Social Club. So you have a ticket number that we've sent you in an email. Because you're in a group, there's a ticket number. I'm going to use Scott Walker, your host's ticket number, so I can give you an example of how to find your seats. We are going to give you this link. The link is going to take you right here. You see this red button in the middle? It says check in, manage bookings. You're going to copy and paste your ticket number and then put your last name only, okay? So we're putting the last name. We're going to click this red button right here, and then it goes to a similar screen where you're just going to click the red button again to verify. So it comes up, and here it is. Yes, and I select search per passenger. And it's going to come up and show you your amazing flight. We're super excited. We were able to get you these great deals. We worked very hard at this. Your booking reference number, this is the number that you're used to using when you book your own flights. So take a note of that, and that is in your email. But you need your ticketing number to get all of this information. So just so you're aware, those are two different numbers. Okay, so it shows you your excellent flight, Miami to Athens, Friday, October 18th. Athens to Miami, Saturday, October 26th, and there's a layover in Istanbul. Scroll down. You're going to see if there's travel insurance that you asked, we already bought that. No need to worry about that, and we sent you that information as well, or will in the next 24 hours. Here is where you want to start paying attention. Okay, everything should be as on your passport. It's imperative that those names match. This is his first and middle name is on his passport. That's why they're together. It is okay that they are together with no spaces. That is just the way the systems are. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's not an error. That's just the way they do that. So if you had a middle name, it'll be on one line together. And you want to make sure your last name is separate. Okay, so that's correct. There is a frequent flyer program. If you'd like to add your miles there, they do have some options, but I would really recommend doing that later after you get your seat. However, it does go into United Airlines. A lot of people have that, or TAP Portugal. Those are the ones that are familiar to me. So you see these toggles over here. You're going to go to seat, and you're going to be able to choose your seat for each leg of the flight. You have a layover in Istanbul. So go ahead and choose your seat. You're going to see there's lots of seats available. No need to worry. You guys can sit next to each other. You can sit away from each other. You'll have a lot of options. These seats are plentiful. The only ones that are occupied are in gray. The standard seats, as you can see, just show you how much they are. If you'd like to get the extra legroom seats or the exit rows, you just go back a little further and you'll see that those are available too. So you decide what you'd like. You're going to click that and you're going to select seat, and you're going to keep going through that screen until the end, and you'll pay for your seats, whatever you chose to pay for. Okay, I'm not going to go for that. I'm going to let Scott pick his own seats, but I'm going to continue without seat selection to go over just a few other things. There is also going to be your baggage, so just remember you don't need any additional baggage. The baggage is included. You actually got one carry-on, you've got one personal item where you should always have your passport and your medication, always in your personal item, okay? And then also two checked luggages. However, I do recommend only flying with one checked luggage, one personal, and one carry-on. And the reason is you really should be able to carry everything when you're on your way to Greece on your own. Greece is not like the U.S. There are cobblestones and more stairs and stuff like that. Now, while this group is fabulous, and I know Scott's going to take great care of you, there are not always porters all over the place in Europe. So please be mindful, be able to carry what you're bringing, okay? So that's very important. Get good luggage as well. Don't get cheap luggage. You want to make sure you're not going to lose a wheel on the way. And another tip I would say, because you have 2 checked luggage allowed, for some of you ladies or gentlemen that are shoppers like me, you may want to buy or bring an extra luggage back with all the goodies that you want. So that's really nice. I will also send you this link, which is going to give you all the information. You really need to adhere to this. Europe is very strict on size and weight, and they will hold you up and they will make you transfer things if it's more expensive, more weight in a, let's say, a carry-on. They will make you wear things. For instance, if I had a heavy coat in my carry-on that made my coat over a certain amount that they said I was allowed, I would have to wear the coat. It's really not a nice experience. So please make sure you do the due diligence to actually get your measuring tape out. Make sure you have the correct size baggage. 8 kilograms, it's 2.2 pounds, so you could do the math there. That's for your personal item. And then here is your carry-on size in economy class. And again, they do actually weigh, sometimes they will weigh your carry-ons and your personal items. So please don't overpack it because it's a real problem and they'll charge you. So that's a really good travel tip from me. For example, the personal item cannot be more than 4 kilograms. I believe that's like 8 pounds, around 8 or 10 pounds. So please double check everything. And I will send you this link so you can, before you pack, just make it easier on yourself. You don't want any of that hassle. So that's the way you're going to be able to pick your seat. You'll be able to go to Turkish Airlines and check in. They also have an app. I highly recommend you download it. I will be sending you your ticket numbers and your reservation numbers. And all you need is those numbers and your last name, and go on Turkish Airlines and check in and get your seats. So I'm Shelby. You're fabulous. We're super excited for you. Opa! Bye-bye for now.
Are you fun and ready for a dream vacation? Immerse yourself in the historic romance of Venice or capture the sun-soaked paradise of Santorini. TravelFun.Biz makes it all attainable for less than you'd expect. Our U.S.-based trusted team of travel concierge are complimentary and take care of every detail. Work hard, play harder. Choose casual luxury. Choose TravelFun.Biz to book all of your travel, a family-owned and operated agency. Your fun is our biz. Text us for a quote on your dream vacation today.